everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Yahya and I'm a certified Arabic teacher specialized in the Egyptian dialect. I have master's degree in Arabic teaching for non-natives. However, what really matters is being a good teacher. This channel is divided into two parts. In the first part, you will find real-life situations and dialogues in order for you to see how Egyptians communicate in their daily life. In the second part, I will provide some explanations for the videos I provided in the first part. You will also find some videos speaking about grammatical rules and other topics such as colors, numbers, and other topics. So basically, this channel is all you need to talk like an Egyptian.